Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. So I'm back with another git command, that is git merge. So it's a very crucial command when you are merging two branches. So now let me tell you in detail how we can use it. So let's get started with today's video. So what does basically git merge command do is it generally git merge is used to combine two branches. So you have like two or more development history together, so you can join using git merge command. So that's the main use of it. So that's the documentation, you can go through it. So before merge command, you need to make sure one thing, that your local changes are committed. Because if your local changes, let's say you have done some changes in your local and you are just going to merge with your another branch, so it will just abort the process, as it will say that you have to make sure that your local changes are committed. Otherwise, let's say same file is change in your local and same change in let's say server side, then there will be conflict, so it will just abort the process. So make sure your local changes are committed before merging. So let me show you my remote repo. So in GitHub you can see I'm having 4 branches, and if I'll show you in my local, right, git branch, so you can see now there are 3 branches in my local. So in GitHub I'm going to create a new branch, let's say merge branch. So inside this branch I'm going to create new file, let's say merge branch.php, and I'm just going to write text, let's say merge branch, and now commit this file. So you can see here is the new file created, mergebranch.php. So in local, I am on tutorial branch. So before merge, I need to fetch the details, that what all things I need to merge. So for that, I'm going to write command, that is git fetch. That will give me the details that you can see new branch is there, that is merge branch. So now I'm going to write git merge command, and I'm going to write origin slash merge branch, because that's the branch I'm going to merge with my tutorial branch. So you can see it's successfully merged. Right now you can see there is new file merge branch.php. So it's now in my tutorial branch. So there is no conflict, as there is no change in the same file. So now let me change in the same file. Let's go and change in index.php. So if I'll just edit this file, and here I'm just, let's say, write one p tag. Inside that p tag write new file created, and just commit the changes. So you can see there is new commit. So now let me just go to local and merge with this branch now. So run again git merge command with merge branch, and it's already up to date, because it's having no information about more that there are some changes. So before merging, you need to get the details. So for that, write command git fetch. So write git fetch, and you can see there is information about new commit. Now if you will merge, now merging is done. It says that index.php is having some changes. So if I'll go to index.php and I'll open that, there you can see there is a p tag that we have written on remote. So now let me show you once again what I have done. So let me change it in that particular line only that is existing. So let's say h1 is there, so write git merge tutorial and new file created, all merged. So now if I'll commit this, and now if I'll again just see that there is a new commit right now. So now if I'll just, let me clear once my terminal. Now write git merge command, and it says already up to date. So before that I need to fetch the information. So write git fetch, and you can see the information of commit. Now git merge, So you can see merge is successful here, there is no conflicts. So observe one thing here is that I have not changed anything in my local till now. What I'm doing is I'm just merging from the remote branch to my local, but there is no changes in my local. So that's the reason there is no conflict right now. So let me change now in my local and then I'll merge with the remote branch. So in index.php, I'm going to change heading, let's say merge check. Now I need to commit these local changes before merge. So write git add command and after that write git commit command. Well, let me show you this error. I'm not going to commit my local changes. Let me go to my remote repo and in merge branch I'm going to edit my index.php. In this I'm going to edit h1, let's say. Here also I'm going to, let's say, add some test and let's say in title I'm just going to write merge command. So save this. Now basically commit the changes. Now let's fetch these changes in local. So write git fetch. So after that let's merge the branch. So now you can see there is error that your local changes are not basically saved. So please commit your changes and it says aborting, that your process is aborted in between. So let me clear the terminal and now I'm going to commit my local changes first. So write git add and after that write git commit command and just write message merge command. So after commit write git merge command and now you can see it says there is a conflict. Auto merging is failed. So you need to fix it by yourself. So here you can see in index.php there is accept current change, accept incoming change, or both changes, or you want to compare the changes. So here you can decide which one you want. You can keep both the changes. So that's how you can see the conflicts in your file. There can be multiple files in which you are having conflicts, so you have to resolve them one by one. So here I'm having conflict as in the same line my server is also changed and my local is also changed on the same line. So that's the reason here now we can decide which one I am going to keep. So here I'm going to accept my current change, that is my local change. So and you can also see your conflicts here. If you are using Visual Studio Code, you can see it in here and you can see that index.php is changed and that is in staged changes. So from here also I can commit my changes. So I'm just committing from here. So in this video I have shown you how you can merge two branches and how to solve conflicts, and you need to make sure that you will fetch all the information before merge. That's all in this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.